What's going on, guys? For today's episode, I'm going to be showing you guys how to knock down 10 exercises using a TRX belt, alright? So for the first one, we're going to be doing some wide grip chest push-ups. So what we're going to do on this one, guys, if you want to make it more difficult, you're going to dip your feet further back, okay? So it's going to increase more tension. If you guys want to make it a little bit easier, take a step out, alright? So this is about medium right here. What we're going to do, make sure, again, we're going to keep those elbows out nice and wide, isolating on our chest. So what we're doing, coming all the way down right here, get a good stretch, coming back up. All the way down, keeping those elbows out, and back up. And again, if you want to make it a little bit easier, step out. If you want to make it even harder, you can put your feet all the way back to whatever wall or you're attached to. Same thing, all the way down, and back up. All right, that'll be number one. Number two, we're going to be doing some tricep push-ups. So again, it's going to be the same concept as the last one. So again, this one though, keeping our elbows glued in, so we're going to put all the focus onto our triceps for this push-up. Again, if you guys want to make it more difficult, feet are going to go back further, a little bit easier, take a step out. All right, so it's about medium right here. Elbows are going to be glued in nice and tight, coming all the way down to the bottom right here, and doing a push-up. All right, if I want to make it a little bit more harder, sit down all the way at the wall, elbows all the way in, tucking it right back up. For our third one, we're going to be doing some bicep curls, all right? So check it out. For this one, guys, we're going to be holding out our elbows in front of us, leaning back all the way. Again, if you want to make it more difficult, dip your feet lower so it increases more tension. If you want to make it easier, step out. All right, again, keeping those elbows out in front of us right here. All we're going to do, curling ourselves up, okay? Coming straight down, and we're curling up. Coming down. Again, if you want to make it harder, dip in lower, and curl it all the way up. It's actually pretty difficult. If you want to make it easier, take a step out. Just give yourself a little bit of an angle to work with. All right, that's our third one. For the fourth one, we're going to be doing some tricep extensions. All right, guys, so again, same concept's going to apply again. If you want to make it more difficult, dip those feet back lower, easier, take a step out. So this one, we're going to be placing them over our head, keeping our elbows nice and tucked in right here. Keep that tension on our triceps, dip those feet back right here. And then from this position, all we're doing, come straight up and down. Straight up. Again, if you want to make it easier, step out, give yourself a little bit of angle, coming up, and all right. And our fifth one, we're going to be doing some inverted rows. All right, guys, so check it out. We're going to be dipping down those feet. Again, if you want to make it difficult, go lower. If you want to make it easier, step out. So give yourself a good little challenge right here. So for this one, we're going to dip in our shoulders all the way, and all we're doing, we're pulling all the way up. Coming down, nice and slow. Dip those shoulders in, and squeezing at the top. Coming down. If you want to make it a lot harder, dip those feet lower. Again, right here, all the way up, and all the way down. Easier, we're stepping out, and right. Number 6, we're gonna be doing some hamstring curls. So check it out, guys. For this one, we're gonna be taking our heel, putting it in at the end of the strap, like so. Doing the same on the other side. So what we're gonna do, guys, after both heels are in like this, we're gonna lay down, and we're gonna raise up those hips, and keep those hips in the air. And from this position right here, all we're gonna do is curl, coming down. And curl. When you need to take a break, drop those hips back down to the ground and rest. And then when you want to go back on, hips go back up, and then we're curling. Come here and curl. All right, that is number 6. And for our 7th one, we're going to be doing some assisted squats. All right, guys, so check it out. All we're going to be doing, make sure our knees and feet sitting out, hips going out, all the way down at the bottom of our squat, coming back up. Having the belts assisting you the entire time. And if you want to make it a little bit more intensified, make it more of a challenge, squat down, do a jump squat. All right, number 8, we're gonna be doing some mountain climbers. So check it out, guys. Just some good old-fashioned mountain climbers. You're gonna put your foot in again in the belt. Same thing on the other side. Once you got both, we're gonna come out into a push-up position, and then from here, one left leg, then right leg. Left leg, then right leg. Left, right, left. Our 9th one, we're gonna be doing some single leg squats. So check it out, guys. This one is an advanced exercise too, so it's pretty difficult. If you can't go all the way down, try going halfway down. Moderate it a little bit for yourself. It is kind of difficult. So what we're gonna do, whatever leg you want to do, you're gonna hold the opposite leg out, and we're going to sit all the way down at the bottom. You have the belts to assist you, and then from here, you're standing up. Coming down, and standing up. If you wanted to do, say, a halfway one, just try coming halfway, then back up. All right, that is number 9. And finally, for our last one, number 10, we're gonna be doing some knee tucks. Again, guys, you're gonna be putting in those feet in the strap. Same thing on the other side. Once you got both feet, we're gonna be coming out again into a push-up position. Once we're in our push-up position, tucking those knees in, taking them out. Tucking those knees in and down. So that's all 10 exercises for the TRX belt. I hope you guys liked the video. Make sure you guys try these out at home for yourself. Let me know what you think. That's a wrap for today. So make sure you guys are hitting that subscribe button for me. And until then, stay positive, be successful, keep dreaming big.